separate profile on Safari iPhone 15 under iOS 17 update. In iOS 17, Apple extended on tab groups with a profile feature that is designed to let you separate your browsing for different use cases. You can create a work profile and a personal profile, for example, so all of your work related browsing is kept separate from your personal browsing. Each profile has separate cookies, browsing histories, extension, and website data. You can turn off profile, and here is the how to create a new profile on Safari under iOS 17 update and iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Go to settings, tap on Safari. Here tap on new profile. Tap on it, and here input your select an icon, name, and background color for your profile, and choose your settings for favorites and tabs. Customize your new profile, and if done, finally press on done button from the top right corner, and your new profile is created under Safari app on iPhone under iOS 17 update.